gator. Oh my, look at this wild gator out in her natural habitat. Wow, look at her with that prey in her mouth. What a beautiful animal. Wow, fresh prey. Yo, what's going on, Mr. and Mrs. SpaghettiOs? How we doing? We're back to the Bliggity Vlog. We got your girl Betsy, your boy Michael San, and the best apprentice / alligator out there. It's Mrs. Bailey. And of course, we gotta get her to catch one. There we go. It's because I gave her a different introduction to the video and she didn't understand her role. But we brought it back to the roots, and the girl did what the girl needed to do. But of course, guys, let's start this off the right way, because this is going to be a good vlog, guys. So with that being said, cheers. Chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. All right, that's it. We're going to give you guys a surprise. And bang, right there. Let's just say, your boy didn't want to rock this freaking blacked out, tinted like a mamma jamma windshield, because if you can't tell, obviously I got something hanging up there, but can you see through that? Not really. It's really not clear, and I'm trying to up the quality for you guys next season. So we got, maybe we'll do a quick little zimmy here, but boom, we got a light tint Puig front windshield. I think this is gonna make the front of this bike look so much better, and also now with this new front windshield you'll be able to see through it, which we got a nice gold front brake reservoir just hanging out waiting for everybody to see her. So I wanted to surprise you guys a little bit and show you that we got that new front screen. But other than that, this bike is going back together. I think, we got a fairly clear day out, so I think we're gonna just roll Betsy on out here and we shall start reassembling her, throwing her front fairing on. But before we put the front fairing on, we will put that front windshield on, and then front fairing, once front fairing's installed, then we can throw on the side fairings. And I got some short zip ties over there so I can clean up some of the wiring. If you guys don't remember the last video, we had some issues with the wiring for the integrated front blinker and the headlight. Got everything situated. Mr. Bunger Boy, my boy Ant, came through and did what the man needed to do. So we are still right on track with everything. So like I said, yeah, we're gonna jump into this video. We're gonna get that new screen installed, and then we're gonna get this bike fully fairinged and looking like a bike again. Also, guys, stay tuned to the end of the video. I got a big surprise for y'all. So enough of me talking, and let's just get into this beautiful time lapse of Betsy coming back together, boys. Let's do it. Guys, let's just enjoy this naked bike while she's still here. Look at her, all naked, looking like a mess. But not for long, baby. Not for long. Look at this thing. God dang. Alright. Well, we got our fairings over here, and one of them fell. So let's get into this, boys. right, guys, let's just appreciate that. That's a good looking windshield compared to that friggin' blacked out Mamma Jamma. I think this is gonna make a big game changer, especially when it's up here, sitting in here a little bit of something, you know, you can see a little Jimmy Johnson through it. There we go. I think that completed the look I wanted. So yeah, let's get this front end together and then throw on these fairings, boys. All right, guys, I got the sun right in my eyes, but moment of truth here. Let's see what you guys think. Also, don't hate, I don't have it fully put together. I'm still missing a couple bolts and stuff. I want to clean up everything as I'm putting it together. So I just wanted to slap it together for you guys to see. I'm not gonna bore you with all that other stuff. So let's just do it. Ooh, man, that front windshield I love already. But let's just take a look on this sunny side, baby. Oh Lord, those blue grips look so good, especially with those black bar ends and that freaking gold reservoir that you can actually now see through here. Oh, it looks so good. She's looking so good. I pretty much have to hard mount the reservoir because I have it sitting exactly where it needs to sit and it is not hitting anything, which is very nice. We got our nice gas cap in here, and man, I gotta tell you guys, I am excited with how this thing turned out. But let me show you guys the front headlights since we ended up getting it all sorted out. So as we can see, front headlights are on. We got our C light back, and this is just our regular headlights, and then boom, high beams. So now you can see those two middle lights on. This looks amazing. So let's flip high beams off, back to normal. So now we should have integrated blinkers. So boom, there's my left turn signal, and there's the right. So we are good. We are fully situated now, boys. We have power to these gorgeous, gorgeous headlights. Videos just don't do these headlights justice, guys. I promise you, videos don't do this headlight justice. So there you go. Me in the shade, you can see it a little bit better. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. But hey, let's get a cold start for the real ones, guys. Woo! Fancy, fancy. Sure, it's gonna be a little loud, guys. I do have to mess around with exhaust fitment, which is why I don't have this fender fully on, but Betsy hasn't started in a couple months here. But we got a surprise, guys, so let me let her run for a second, let you guys see what she's all about, and then I will I'll tell you guys about the surprise and end this video. But man, oh, look at these views. I love this bike so much, guys. Oh. She's cold, baby. She's cold, but she got a fresh air filter in her. Oh yes, I miss those sounds. I miss those sounds, and so does this one. The sounds and the smells. Oh. Alright guys, so like we just seen, this beautiful, beautiful bike, fully put together. Other than just a couple bolts missing, whatever, but man, she is looking good. Those blue grips look amazing. That front brake reservoir is chef's kiss. That gas cap pops out now. I love it. It just pulls everything together a little bit more. And then that front windshield, I just love that you can actually see through it. You can see my stickers and my front brake reservoir through it. Plus, you know, my helmet, my chin mounts on, my camera's on my chin mount. So now when I, you know, get in the pocket, you guys will actually be able to see outside of it, which is really the main thing I was going for, was to up the quality for our moto vlog. So that should do it. But before we close the video out, I did tell you guys I had a surprise at the end of the video. And let's just say, now that Betsy is fully, almost 99% back together, she's getting tuned, boys. So talked to a tuner, we got some pricing figured out, and let's just say by the end of next month we'll have Betsy fully tuned, ready to rip. So I got to wait, I got to reach out to the tuner in a couple weeks because he's a little backed up with work. So we don't have a set date, but he said he will 100% have me tuned and ready by March. So yeah, pretty much, well, that's all we're doing, is we're just going to be playing a waiting game. Bailey wants me to throw the frisbee, so I'll throw the frisbee for her. But yeah, we're going to just pretty much be playing the waiting game. Probably going to be 2-3 weeks until we can get the bike in there. And then this girl's going to be tuned. I have to talk to him. I'm going to see if I can work something out with him to where maybe I can get in there and film the tune for you. But, you know, he is, you know, he owns his own company, and, you know, he's got things to do. He's got people that are working around him and whatnot. So obviously I don't want to interfere with him and his work. But you guys already know that if I get the go to film, you guys already know we're obviously going to get the tune on film, because we need to know the numbers that this beautiful girl makes, and we just want her to run happy now that, you know, since we did our full exhaust last year and now we got our K&N air filter, we just want her to breathe happy and be a very, very happy bike. So with that being said, that's the surprise that I had for you guys. I hope you guys are as excited as I am, because like I said, this bike is just practically done. She just fell right back together, and let's just say we still got time till the season begins, guys. So I don't know, maybe things back here might change, or things over here, or maybe towards the front end, I don't know, maybe more stuff up here, maybe the seats, I don't know. I'm just saying, we still got time, and things might be a brewing. That's all. But I wanted to let you guys know that we do have a tuner. We are locked in, and within the next month or month and a half, we will be tuned for you guys with this beautiful girl. So with that being said, of course, I love every single one of you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna end it with a banger right here, you know. Bad throw. I'm terrible, but that's it. So your girl Betsy, your girl Bailey, and your boy Michael son, we're out of here. We'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.